Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on HTML form elements. And right now we'll be discussing about the HTML form legend element. The legend element defines a caption for the Fieldset element. Once again, the legend element defines a caption for the Fieldset element. So I'm going to show you how it works quickly. Back to our document. In our previous tutorial, we are having this document, right? And back to our code. This is our code. Quickly at the top right here, immediately after our Fieldset, we can add our legend element. This legend element can take anything, but let's save it first and see the default value. Let's reload our document. Can you see we are having this little, if you can, let me zoom in so you can see what I'm talking about. You can see this little gap right here, little break at the top of our Fieldset. So that's the benefit of using the legend. And now we can write something, fill it, form. Let's just write form there so you can see what I'm talking about. Can you see the form is now showing like this? So that is the benefit of using what this benefit of using our legend element along with our Fieldset. So you can write anything you want there, so you can be able to, it just looking nice, it make our document looks nice. So let me show you how it looks. Can you see it's looking nice? You can write anything you want there and everything is going to stay like this. It's going to look like this. So, and you can control it also with your CSS. In our future tutorial, we are still going to talk about it much better than this. As you can see, it's looking nice, right? It make our form look more neat and more nice. So it's because of my browser, don't mind it. As you can see, this is how it looks, and we can control it in our future tutorial. We are still going to control it much better than this. Anwar akorede ayofe is my name. I wish to see you guys next time, but before I go, make sure you practice, because practice makes perfect. As you can see, we only use this legend, opening and closing legend element, and inside it we write something there. You can write anything, new form. You can write another thing, new form. Let's reload it. Can you see our new form, the way it looks? So, and we can do more things with it. And what akorede ayofe is my name. Have a great day. Thank you so much.